How to conduct a complete HR audit checklist for 2026. Welcome back. Most companies don't realize their HR processes are broken until they get hit with a lawsuit, a massive fine, or a sudden wave of resignations. Is your HR department a ticking time bomb of compliance risks or a streamlined engine for growth? An HR audit is the only way to find out. In this video, we break down the step-by-step process of auditing your recruitment, payroll, compliance, and culture to ensure your company is protected and optimized. Think of an HR audit like a health checkup for your business. You might feel fine, but underneath the surface, there could be compliance gaps or outdated policies dragging you down. Today, we are going to show you how to perform a comprehensive HR audit that moves beyond just checking boxes and actually adds value to your bottom line. Section 1. Compliance and Legal, the SHIELD. First, we focus on the SHIELD compliance. This is about protecting the company from legal trouble. Employee files, IRI-9s, tax forms, and contracts up to date. Labor laws, are you compliant with the 2026 updates regarding remote work, overtime, and pay transparency? Posters and notices, it sounds small, but are the latest mandatory labor law posters actually visible to your team, including your digital team? Don't just check if a document exists, check if it's accurate. An unsigned offer letter is as good as no offer letter at all. Section 2. The Recruitment and Onboarding Audit. Next, we look at how you bring people in. Time to hire. Is it taking 60 days to fill a role? If so, you're losing top talent to faster competitors. The candidate experience. Apply for a job at your own company. Was it easy? Was the communication clear? Onboarding. Does a new hire have their laptop and login on day one? Or are they sitting around for a week? Audit goal. Identify where you are losing recruitment ROI. Section 3. Compensation and Payroll, the engine. This is where the most expensive mistakes happen. Pay equity. Are people in similar roles being paid fairly, regardless of gender or ethnicity? In 2026, pay transparency is a major legal and brand requirement. Classification. Are your contractors actually contractors, or are they legally employees? This is a huge audit red flag. Benefits participation. Are people actually using the health insurance and retirement plans you're paying for? If not, you're wasting money. Section 4. Strategic HR and Culture. Finally, the soul of the audit. Turnover rates. Don't just look at the number, look at the why. If everyone leaves at the 18-month mark, your career development path is likely broken. Performance management. Are reviews actually happening, or are managers just ghost-clicking through the software? Training ROI. Is the $50,000 you spent on leadership training actually showing up in the output of your managers? Conclusion and call to action. An HR audit isn't a one-time event. It should be an annual tradition. It's the difference between a reactive HR department that puts out fires and a proactive HR department that builds a legacy. I've put an ultimate HR audit checklist in the description below to help you get started on your own internal review. What is the one HR process in your company that you know needs an audit? Let's talk about the common pain points in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep your HR department audit ready. See you in the next video.